Hello, regular expressions are powerful tools for pattern matching. They can be very useful for searching a specific pattern in your files. In this video, we are going to see some very simple examples which can be leveraged further to build much more complex regular expressions. Let's get started.
RegEx has a very wide and comprehensive support. It is supported by almost all major text editors, major integrated development environments, and almost all the high-level programming languages. Let's see it with some examples.
The first example is the grep which we can do. So we can do a grep on a file. So what is being indicated here is we are running grep. This indicates that we have a regular expression, and the regular expression is given by this statement between the quotes. And finally, on which file this regular expression has to be run. This is the file redux.html, which is on the current directory. And we see that there is a play with colors. If you see the whole file, so here is the plate with colors. So this is one thing. Then if I do a clear, and then if I do a cat for this, so this is a simple Python program wherein what I'm doing is I'm importing RE, regular expression. This is a text I'm having. This is a pattern which I'm having, and with the help of this pattern, I'm trying to find the emails in this text and print them. If I run this, so it will be Python, and I am able to search the emails from the text which I had put on my program. Lastly, IDE, in the Visual Studio IDE, I have options. I have an option to do a regular expression search here. So this is the regular expression, and then I can search for anything with the help of regular expression. So for example, the same play with colors I have put here. If I put the regular expression here with this selected, I'm able to find play with colors here. Okay, so now we will see how basic and simple regular expressions can be written, which you can elaborate to write complex regex expressions. Dot matches a single character. Star matches one or more occurrences of previous element. Plus matches one or more occurrences of preceding element. So differences here is 0, here is 1. Question mark matches 0 or 1. And we can create a group with parentheses, we will see, and we can define a class with the brackets, and we can have a specific number of occurrences between braces, and we can have a OR operator. Let's see all this in action now.
There are different test URLs available where you can build your regex and you can get it tested with the help of regular expression tester. Two famous websites which are available for this is regex 101 and regex tester. Let's see how we can do the testing of some of the expressions with the help of this, and let's also see some of the common and very basic regex expressions on which you can build some complex regular expressions. So let's start with a very basic thing. Let's say I have to search for bag. So if I just write bag, so anything which has a bag would be selected. The word bag would be selected. So basically wherever the bag is there, we are able to see it highlighted, and that means that the regular expression is matching here. Now let's see the other example. Now what does it mean? Let's see it here first. This means that the square bracket defines a character class to match any character from the set. So it will match any character from the set, and star matches zero or more occurrences of previous. So zero or more occurrences of anything A to Z would be matched, and it should end with ITA. So let me put something. So Rita is Babita's friend. So this is matching one or more. Why it did not match here is because there is a space here. If I remove the space, then everything would be selected because it is matching one or more of this. Now let's do one thing. Now you see here R is not matched. Why? Because it's a capital character. If you have to match this also, then you have to say something like this. Now this is also matched. So Ranjita, it's a name, complete name, it is getting matched. So we are able to see how the capital letters are also being accommodated here. Now let's see another example. So what does it means? It would be matching one or more occurrences of the 0 to 9. So that is what is being indicated here. It is matching one or more occurrences of these numbers. So that's what it is being matched. The moment I remove a plus here, it is like the individual numbers are being matched. It is not a group which is being matched. Now let's say that I have to find the dates. Okay. And which format? Let's say this is the format. So this is the date which I want to match. Now it is matching as an individual character because 0 to 9 is selected here. Now let's see how we can create a regex for doing this. So we have to do this. This is the match for what? It is for digits. When I say 4, so 4 in this kind of brackets means specific number of occurrences. So 4 occurrences of digit is what I'm looking for. So this is 4, this is 2. So this is not selected, only this is selected. Now if I place a hyphen here, hyphen is also selected here. Now what would happen is if I have this here 2002 3, it will not be selected because hyphen is missing. I do this is not selected. The moment I put a hyphen, it got selected. Now what I have to do, I have to have the same pattern match, but this time for 2. So this is the month. Then I put a hyphen and I say again 2. So now the date is getting matched. So wherever this date, this kind of date would be there, it will be matched with the digits. Okay. So if I do this again, it will be matched. So this is for the date match pattern which we can have. So what it is doing is if we have a plus here matches one or more. So it should be one or more. So if this is like this, there is not one, so it will not be matched. So there should be at least a one character here, and then there should be a hyphen, and then there would be another one or more characters followed by the hyphen. So this is a match for this, okay, or this. Now let's say that we have to match the white spaces. How we can do it? We can say space and one or more is plus. So wherever a space is there, it will be matched. So I put a space anywhere. This is for the spaces. Now this with this one, now let's say I have to find the URLs in my text. So how can I do HTTPS and I put a question mark. So question mark indicates 0 or more. So if we see here 0 or 1, sorry, 0 or 1 of the previous it what indicates. So 0 or 1, so it would be HTTP, it will be matched. HTTPS, it should also be matched. Now what I have to do is in a URL, the code comes later, then two backslashes come. And for backslash, I need to put a escape character. So how I'll be putting escape character is like this. So now if I do this, it will be matched. Now what I want some characters here. So what is the easy ways to put character is by saying a caret and I say this. So what does it mean? So let me say google.com. So basically this means that it is not a space, not space. Anything which is not space would be matched. If I put a space, it will match only till here. So this is a very, very basic check for the URLs or search for the URLs. Then let's see the last example where we will be searching for phone numbers. Now in USA, phone numbers typically are represented by this. So this is the way the phone numbers are represented in USA. So how can we write a regex for this? So very easy. Again, escape character for the bracket. Then what we have digits. So I would be doing D. And how many digits I have? I have 3. So I would be doing a 3. Then again, I'll be closing this. Okay. And because it's a special, I have to put a escape character here. Then I have to give a space. Then I have to say D again for digit. Then how many digits are there? 3. And if I close, it is matching till here. Now with the same philosophy, I put this, I put a D. Again, how many digits are there? There are 4. So I'll do this. So this is a phone number match and the regular expression for phone number match. So hope you are able to appreciate how powerful and how easy it is to write regular expressions. With these basic steps, you would be able to build more complex regular expressions. Thank you very much.